Blocking people on Roblox means that you cannot communicate with them at all. While they can still join the game or the server that you're in, Roblox will not allow you to see their Roblox chats, whispers, trade requests, game invites, and more. Blocking someone on Roblox is super easy and simple, so let's go over how to do it. So all we want to do is go to the profile of the person that we want to block, and then we click these three dots right here, and then we can just select the option to block the user. After we do this, Roblox is going to make sure that we're sure, and then we go ahead and click the block button again. If you find out you've accidentally blocked a user that you still want to talk to, the unblock process is just as simple. So we want to click those same three dots, and then we see the option to unblock the user. Then Roblox is going to make sure that we're sure, and we can click unblock. In order to see the certain profiles that we have blocked, all we need to do is go to our settings in the top right corner, and then we can click the privacy section. Then we want to scroll all the way down to the blocked user section. If you don't have this section, that means that you currently do not have any users blocked. But if you do have some users blocked, it'll tell you how many you have. For example, my account has 1 of 100. This means you can only block up to 100 different Roblox accounts. So once we click show, we can see the exact usernames and display names of the people that we have blocked. And if you want to unblock them, you can just click this little unblock button, and then Roblox will say it saved successfully. And that's how to block or unblock someone on Roblox. Again, super duper simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below if this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.